Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Quanta Publishers. Myself Rubina Shaukat. In this video we are going to start our discussion about why is light bulb hot to touch. It's very interesting topic. Let's start. Here we can see many parts of bulb. Glass bulb, inert gas, tungsten filament, contact wires, glass mount or spot, screw thread, insulation and electrical foot contact. Every part has its specific function. But our question here is which part is causing the bulb to get hot? Let's see. We know that electric current is the flow of electrons in one direction or flow of electrical energy through the circuit. We can easily understand this by circuit diagram. We know it is battery and this is the positive terminal of battery and this is negative terminal of battery. And the negative terminal of the battery repel the negatively charged particles electrons. When negative terminal repel electrons, further next electrons are repelled by each other. In this way electrons are flowing in the circuit. Mean electrons flowing is the current flowing. Mean current is flowing in the circuit. When the electric current passes through the filament, it heats up. That is why bulbs are hot to touch. When current or electron passes through the filament, the kinetic energy of the filament atoms increases and temperature also increases. And when the temperature increases, the electrons go to the higher state. And when they come back to the previous state, they emit photon, mean light, and bulb will glow. Here the question is that why bulb gets glow immediately? We know that bulbs are made up of tungsten filaments and tungsten filament has two characteristics. First is tungsten filament has very high melting temperatures and the second is tungsten filament has high resistivity. Due to high resistivity, when current is passed through the tungsten filament, it gains high temperature and begins to glow immediately. Because such metals which has high resistivity, when the current is passed through them, they get temperature and begins to glow immediately. And the second, due to high melting point, it does not melt and break when current is passed through it. There are some precautions. The both terminals of the bulb should be properly connected to the both terminals of cell or battery. Then bulb will glow. And if both the terminals of cell are connected to the only terminal of the bulb, then bulb will not glow and battery can be exploded. It can be very dangerous. So never don't do like this. I hope you all understand this topic. See you in the next video. Thanks for your attentions.